Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're sorting out an issue that is quite common on Honda HRVs. The wing mirrors on the Honda, occasionally you see it flipping backwards and forward on its own without you pressing any button. That has happened to me on the highway, unfortunately. I immediately parked my car and had to investigate. So, luckily, I've managed to make it home without any problems. But I know how to give this a quick fix, so I'll show you step by step on how to rectify this problem. Enjoy. So it happens that the culprit to the wing mirror playing on its own is this fella here. That's the door mirror switch. In order to remove it, we'll have to remove this whole trim from the door. That's the genuine Honda part number there if you need it. That is my switch control unit combo set. Before I remove the old one, just checking that they're the same. First thing we're going to do is to remove this bit by the corner. That's the mirror cover. Right. Nothing broken, just some clip. Next thing that we're going to do is remove the cover for that so that we can access some screws behind this cover. If you notice at the top there's a small little hole there. That's when you can wedge your prying tool. So there's two screws there I'm going to remove. The next fastener that we're going to remove is under there. Let me get my prying tool again. I will then continue the job with the trim removal tool, going right around this interface, starting from the bottom, then moving clockwise all the way around the top. Ooh, hope I don't break anything there. Nothing broken so far. Well, my switch housing is there. That's all I'm interested in. Removing that bit so that I can access the... I've turned my door panel upside down. I'm going to remove that harness over there. Come on, don't want to break anything.
steadily. Yep, that's removed. Then I'm going to get a screw, the screw removed there. Actually, there is another one at the other end. So that's my mirror control unit that I'm going to get removed in a bit. You'll also need to remove the main connector for the other switches located on the door, so that the trim is free. Once the trim is free, you can then unscrew and try to get that bit out. Old switch unit removed. Installation is the reverse of what I've showed you. Don't want to keep the video too long. If I move right now, it's on the right. Yeah, the mirror is moving, as you can see. About folding. Right, sorted.